The Tale of Scrody McBoogerball? It was a warm summer morning when Scrody McBoogerballs awoke to find his... Ew! He took a... What? Oh! Oh! Oh my God! He then grabbed his dog... Oh!
Read what?
This book! Our son and his friends wrote it!
So?
So, Randy, it's really good.
Huh?
I mean, it's disgusting. It's the most disgusting thing I've ever read, but the plot is amazing, and the characters are so vivid.
It was a warm summer morning when Scrody McBoogerballs awoke to find it. Ew, Sharon.